Children, today we learn the subject science of standard 5th, lesson number 3, the earth and its living world. Children, see this picture. This is the picture of our earth and we live in our earth. Children, see this picture. In this picture, we see a natural environment. Birds, plants, animals, rivers, etc. According to this picture, I ask you some questions. Where do you get water from? You know that? Yes, we get water from taps and pipes. But in the villages, we get it from wells, rivers, ponds, rains, and dams, etc. Where do we lay the foundation of building? Yes, the answer is on land. What need do we meet through breathing? You know that the need of oxygen to survive is met through breathing. For this purpose, we breathe in air through our nose. Next question is, from where does the earth get light and heat? Children, you know that the sun is the main natural source of light and we get light and heat from sun. Children, see this picture. This is the spheres of earth and we see the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. On the surface of earth, we find land in some places and water in others. The earth is surrounded by the atmosphere. The upper part is the atmosphere. The sun is cause of many natural processes on the earth. Children's water, land and air constituents envelopes of the earth, namely lithospheres means land, hydrosphere means water and atmosphere means air. Children, now we see biosphere. Children, see this picture. We see the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Atmosphere means air, hydrosphere means water and lithosphere means land. The children together, the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere known as biosphere. See this picture. The lithosphere and the hydrosphere means the land is occupied by the 1/3 portion of earth and water is occupies the 2/3 portion of land. Now we see the lithosphere. The earth crust is made up of soil and rocks. The earth hard crust is called the lithosphere. The lithosphere can be seen in different forms such as grassy expanses, only sands, fields with crops, forest, mountains. Now we see continent. A vast continuous stretch of land is called as continent. The land on earth is divided into 7 continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica and Australia. Now we see landform. The land is not even in all places. The unevenness given different shapes to the land in different places. They are called as landforms, such as hills, plains and mountains, etc. Children, today we see the layers of earth and landforms. Thank you.